Hello everyone and welcome to my nail art channel show. Today I am teaching you Starry sky nail art design step by step guide. You don't have to wish on a shooting star to create dreamy nails with this simple design. You will light up the sky in no time. If you want to study sky nail art design, you should have to follow these steps. Number one step is start by painting your nails with a black nail polish. Let's move to step number two. Step number two is using a small piece of cosmetic sponge and some tweezers. Apply a sparkly blue nail polish to your nails. Leave the top third of your nails mostly black. Step number three, dab on a light blue nail polish. Using the same method, but this time focus on the tips of your nails. Step number fourth, apply a silver glitter to the entire surface of all of your nails to help blend the two colors together. Step number fifth, using a dotting tool and a white nail polish, create very small dots at the top of your nails. These will be the stars in your night sky. Step number six, finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.